Hello, it's Erica from Recia Mag and it's Science Week. Today we are looking at Chemical Chaos, the kit from Horrible Science, which is made by Gold. And what we're going to do is have a look at what you get in the kit, and then I'm going to perform one of the experiments because I've always wanted to be a mad scientist. So let's see, what do we get in the kit? We get our handy top secret laboratory notebook, which has got everything in it we need with I think it's Professor Bunsen. Let's have a look. Mr. Bunsen and Miss Esmeralda Perkins, who are there to walk us through each of our experiments. We also get a big bag full of stuff in the kit. Everything we need to be a mad scientist. We have goggles, which should be worn for all experiments. We have our little bits and pieces, spoons, there's some string there, I wonder what that's for. Some cotton buds, food colouring and a pet. Then we have a stand. What could the stand be for? It is for some test tubes. I've always wanted my own stand with test tubes and now I have them. How exciting! And what else do we have? We have some citric acid. Citric acid, which is good for experiments. We also have some litmus blue powder. If you're like me and you've already left school, you will remember litmus powder. And bicarbonate of soda. So, what are we going to do today? Let's have a look in our book. I am intrigued at what that string's for though. We have lots of experiments to choose from, and I have decided to do the appalling acid test. Okay, so acid lurks in lemons, vinegar, tea leaves and even car batteries. Some acids are useful or good for you, like ascorbic acid, which is another name for vitamin C. Other acids have killer molecules. When you put acid in water, it splits to produce hydrogen atoms. These atoms have powerful electrical charge that rips other molecules to bits. They don't sound very nice. Acid tastes sour and sometimes stink. You wouldn't want to go near some of them. They're strong enough to dissolve a human body. Ooh, no wonder this is called Horrible Science. Right, so this is how we can identify the acids by performing the acid test below. So we are going to need the bicarbonate of soda. I'm going to need that. We are going to need the litmus blue powder. We're going to need the test tubes, the citric acid. We will need the red litmus powder, which we have in here. There. Oops, there's a bit of... We will need the pipette. We will also need the medium and small scoops. What else do we need? I think that's everything. That's everything that we need. Okay. 2/3 full with water. And put them in the stand. Next we need to add a medium scoop of bicarbonate of soda to one test tube and 3 small scoops of citric acid to the other. Okay. Next we need to add 1 small scoop of the litmus blue powder to each test tube. So this is the litmus powder, which I managed to get out of the packet, just to show you there. It's a really, really dark blue, almost black. The bicarbonate of soda. Okay, and then this one is just water, which is a slightly different blue. So you can see all the different colours. Now the red litmus paper, if we, there we go. Now the red litmus paper, if we just put a little bit of the citric acid on there, and if I can pick this one up, a little bit of the bicarbonate of soda there, and then we need some water just to pop and then you can see it changing the colour of the litmus paper as well. Only on the bicarbonate of soda. The bicarbonate of soda didn't change the litmus blue solution, but it did change the litmus red paper. Is if we just grab one piece of this, we will do the plain water as well. There we go. And we'll just put some water, tap water on. You can see it's a slightly different colour to the citric acid and obviously to the bicarbonate of soda. Well, there we go. So that was a fun experiment, and there are another 8 experiments in the kit, and to be honest I think that's great fun. There's lots of information. If you have a look there, it's got all the information that you need, and it's even got facts about different chemicals. You can grow stalactites and stalagmites. You can make your own invisible ink. There's lots and lots and lots of things that you can do, and that's just to get you started. Sorry, there's 7 more. There's 8 altogether, and obviously you need to be aware that it's going to cause a little bit of mess, but so long as you protect your work surfaces, you're going to be absolutely fine. I think it's great fun, and I can imagine children everywhere just absolutely loving this. So thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of Science Week, and we'll see you soon.